I will be starting us off for today's pitch on behalf of NovelGen Solutions. This is an immunization record. It lists the age required to get vaccinated against common infectious diseases. In North America, missing one of these routine vaccinations means that a child can't attend school. In many developing nations, however, missing one of these routine vaccinations means that a child might not survive past the age of 5. Death from vaccine-preventable diseases, including childhood infections, is a stark reality for many across the globe due to vaccine inaccessibility. Though organizations like UNICEF spend billions of dollars each year on immunization programs for developing countries, issues in transport logistics can prevent life-saving vaccines from ever reaching their intended patients, especially in the last length of the journey. This is the problem of the last mile. Now, most vaccines must be maintained at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius to remain effective. The cold chain is responsible for ensuring the constant refrigeration needed for vaccine transport. In the last mile of this chain in developing nations, vaccines are hand-delivered from distribution centers to mobile health clinics for use in remote communities. This requires traversing difficult terrains, often on foot, and the lack of appropriate cold chain infrastructures in such remote areas can lead to significant vaccine wastage. Current available carrier boxes rely on ice packs and insulating material, but can only maintain refrigeration for up to 5 days at the most. They also don't allow for temperature monitoring and carry the risk of unwanted vaccine freezing. Most importantly, these boxes have significant dead weight due to packaging materials, making the entire design bulky, heavy, and inconvenient to carry. So the need for a smaller, more lightweight vaccine carrier with temperature control is clear and evident. And this is where Thermotech will deliver. Our product resembles a typical thermos in dimension and combines thermoelectric cooling and vacuum insulation to function as a compact refrigerator. Not only can Thermotech maintain temperatures between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, it also offers prolonged cooling for up to 15 days on a single battery charge. Thermotech is a portable, lightweight, temperature-controlled, and long-lasting carrier for the effective delivery of vaccines to communities in inaccessible areas. Now over to Zara.
Great. So we expect to market Thermotech as a long-range vaccine carrier for use in mobile health clinics operated by organizations such as UNICEF or Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance, primarily in Africa. To date, we have a pre-prototype tested in the lab and a provisional US patent application has been filed. However, we still need to refine our product to include a temperature logging system. The materials need to be finalized, and lab and field tests need to be performed according to WHO Performance, Quality, and Safety, or PQS standards, in order to obtain the PQS certification. Our product development timeline before we can get to market looks something like this. In the first year, our focus is on refining our design and performing lab tests according to PQS standards. We also hope to attend conferences such as those organized by UNICEF in order to get our product noticed and build traction. In the second year, we hope to perform field tests in Malawi, Mozambique, and Tanzania directly through UNICEF, as this is our first target market. We also hope to apply for and obtain the PQS certification. Product launch can be expected in Q2 of year 2, and by Q1 of year 3, we hope to have secured a manufacturing partnership, preferably with B Medical Systems, a medical device manufacturer based in Luxembourg, where we will need to apply for a patent. This company already has partnerships with UNICEF, and they are WHO PQS certified. Such a manufacturing partnership will allow us to scale up our own manufacturing, allowing us to serve greater communities in Africa. Once sales have stabilized, we hope to continue R&D to incrementally improve our product. In order to get to market, we ask for $750,000 over 3 years, subject to achieving certain milestones. This investment will go towards prototyping, testing, certification, and manufacturing and operations costs for the 3 years. In return, we offer 20% equity in our company. The global pharmaceutical cold chain market is currently estimated at over $13 billion. At Thermotech's unit selling price of $425, we expect a net revenue of $4.25 million by year 6. We expect to break even at 2.5 years or on sale of 5,000 units. This translates to an operating income of $100,000 by year 3 and an ROI of 109% by year 6. We are NovelGen Solutions, and along with our stellar team and your generous help along the way, we hope to bring Thermotech to market. For every last child, every last mile. Thank you so much for your time, and we will now take questions.
Awesome. Thank you very much.